welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, brings you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Newell shut up by aim of Raj Nongtung passes away on 18th of July. KSU urges the government to establish MRB at Remulyang. Water Resource Department enlightens the people on Jal Shakti. And traffic police hauls taxi with black window films. And now the news in detail. Paem Newell Shaddap, king of Raj Nongtung Himakriem, passed away on the 18th of July after enduring months-long illness. The demise of this aim led to a major mourning in the family amongst the loved ones, friends and neighbours and the entire Raj Nongtung. A little on Newell Shaddap. He was the aim of Raj Nongtung who had firmly demanded the government of Meghalaya to turn to the people of the region and pay heed to the cries caused by the regular basis disturbance from Assam authorities. The corpse of the gentleman will be buried at Umpawin with last rites on rituals at 1 p.m. on the 20th of July. There has been ongoing complaints on the lack of a bank in Remulyang, and people of the region faces backwardness in terms of money, investments, savings and more. On the 18th July, the Khasi Students Union met with the regional manager of the Meghalaya Rural Bank MRB Noston to address the issues and need of an MRB branch at Remulyang. Under the leadership of Byangboy Sangryang, the KSU expressed that the people of the region are compelled to walk on foot for 50 kilometers to reach the bank located in Senduli, West Khasi Hills district. On the part of the regional manager of MRB, also agreed to establish a branch of MRB at Remulyang region. He promised to take the matter with keen consideration in order to ease the situation of the public in the region.
KSU Remulyang Circle hadir ba ngiyok snow bat ngiyok priang ya ki jing ud jing nam jong pat ba jong kadong kathan halor ka jing ba kimdon kata ka bang halaka jong ka iria ten nakaliang jong ikum ka sen nadu ka nyo tarik nai ba nyo ajar arpulai ngililimi bat u charman jong ka MRB headquarter ten rai nakaliang jong ulok tha yang ni manong ba pin let me sasiau regional manager hapo Nongston tementa kasni ngiwan angni pratarik lainnya aja apply ngila let pani kendu yu halor pani ke jinge ban ngila pan paru sibun ke jinge di bangi ni kendu namar bakum bangi TV bakadong kathan ibro away kala jingai ba ban kapang kabangi kamjan kade betang hapo Sinduli ban kala simpor hado sau pun riu kilometer lani sanko kilometer guna baki riu ki bahab banle syakibang bakawai ke jinge ka baki ki kendo kalong bait ba kamdon kata kalan baki ki haban syong daki kali balong passenger lani kata kalan ka baki kali kiyat kimi baki wan kena kata kadau habaki kwa banle ban kensyo pisa ki haban dar resep kali kihaban sim kali bandar resem pat kejing kalong bakum hangin kisni ki bamenta ba kani ka skim shispa sni gumbangi ong shane ba kayat ba hapo Remulyang Circle haman lagi sinong tiginong sunong baro ki kendu yak ni kejing ha ka ba kilet banse yak ni kisa bar kumjuru kumbamenta katuka skim jingbam tumben bakiyo tang praspa sibenai kat baka bai kaliban kapoi hadu kat saulani katsan spa ban resem tani ka bujing bahaya kadong kathaji bro away ban nakalian jungi kum kasen ni snow day ban ong bakane ke jingud ke jongki kade ke jingud ka baki ki hab ban mat bat ki baki layak kendu hadu ni kiski bamenta tenalian jungi kum kasen ro ni dap da ke jing snow ki halo kane ka benta ban ni snow men wat la kataru abangi wan menta kasni ban ya kendu ya i regional manager ibadon hang ne po Nongston ban nakali jong iru ila kulare ni ban ila snow deiru haba upet ya kijing twa kijongi wong bakala ideiru ban bu ya ka MRB hapo kanonglang namar bakat kum ki population bat ke jingdon jong kisnong kitau bat ka area pelun hi bro away kala biang ban bu ban nakali jong kum ta ila kularo ba mai in here ha kani katayo ban sawan ya saya lang bat nakaliang ngigum ka sengru ngin saya senran lem bat I bantek banyet ya kita ki building ki badon ha ka area nonglang hi bro kowe hapo area rimuliang hi bro kowe hangno ba ide hangno ba yahap ni nget skam ba ngidon ru ka jingkermen ba lengba ka jingwan jong kani ka bang hapo kanong lang kade ka ba penyo nong bat kade ka kam ka ba penmentoy ya kilong yin ki baduk kilong yin ki bomkot ha ka yo ka kon bat ka penmentoy ru wat ya kitu ki riu temen ki badai hok ban yo ya ka skim temen khnang ba kanong kta ya ki kamtam hakabai kali kamtam hakabai sni kamtam hakabai bam bai di kijong kiru kinyo be ya kahok nama ba kapang kila yo la ka jong kapang hapo jong ka area la jong de kani kali ka banta ban kali jong ikung kasang ni trang ban ni angnot ban ni next time ba kani ka jing trang jong ka dong ka than ka jong I om tang jong ikung kaseng ban ni ai ro ka jing ya trelang nakali jong I regional committee regional manager I ai ya kani ka jing ya trelang banak kata ngi don be ke jingkermen ka baskem bat nginget ru bakan urlom ya ke ka bakadong ka thaji bro kowe ka kwa banak bakadong ka than bro kowe ka shania ani kum paseng ban nginget skem bangin sapoi syakathom amo.
The Office of the Executive Engineer Water Resources WR Division Nongstoin on the 18th of July organized a meeting at Tirsam Hall of the DC Office Nongstoin with the intention to enlighten the people on the water resources data acquisition system and hydroinformatics application. HK Thaba ADC graced the occasion in the presence of PAEM EPCA of Hima Nongstoin as the guest of honor, S. Lindem, SDO Water Resources, officers of different government departments, village town leaders and other gentlemen. Risau Nongput, EEWR, addressing the gathering informed that the Meghalaya Water Resources Department will begin to functionalize the National Hydrology Project coming directly from Jal Shakti Ministry, whereas Tabor Marwen, junior engineer, explained and displayed the topic on the screen through PPTs he prepared. There was a discussion round or the interaction round where some men raised questions related to the WRDAS and HA, which were accordingly answered.
Lembaga remote sensing technology kabagum ka department nilaya tur ban update yalati bat ka remote sensing technology bat ka geographic information system patlamba kini satellite imageries nani dur jang satellite nilala ban thau ya ka umslam nilala ban pet ya ka jingdon joko hakiwa du nilala ban tip ya ka ponde jeria kepada hakipung hakaleng saudong jangka distrik kejami. Hendrai ka wave kata ka apa nilai ini ka mapping. Ya kini water bodies, ya kini kini pungum. Nila kantit ka jingdan jago magipung. Hendrai yungket ya kerteng jang ini kapung. Tekong tani dan kam ikut ya kini awareness program kam tami ya kini po ban involve lang ay kirang ba snong. Baklam ka jingat relang jang kirang ba snong nimla manai kerteng. Nidang ka teknologi, Andrei nimla manai kerteng. Nama nimla man koi, separo, man keli way. Tena kata kada, nidang kami kini trelang, jong kibor, jong kinasang syashnon. Anta kani water resource data acquisition system, bat ka hydro informatic application. Kani ka han, ka kontrok ya artli ibenta. Jong Water Resource Department kabenta kabanungkong kade kumno bangide banwa jintep kumno bangide bannom jintep bat kumno ide banbu ya kita ke jintep ki data kami kuat tim bareng bannom jintep ngamtep kade sisani ka kentin kasi ya kata jinglum jintep ne kata data kata kentin kasi banlum ne jintep keba dan kam na kabenta ka Water Resource Department. Nama hari ni jesni yo ketinggalan kam jeng didata lani record kilong ibadan kam hado kata na kabenta kajing syakri yo pa na kabenta kajing kam haki office kijongi. Iperdan kam ni kini didata bantet ya kini jinglom tetep na kabenta banbit banbian karu kom sensya rasna mata ban biang ko umbang ko umri ban biang ko umrat kum ta kadan kam ya kan ni ka information ka ba biet ka ba bet ka ba belia ka ba syai ka kum kinong sensya rasna jide ban semua tu ban kakno ngidan ka syai ba ya kan ni ka dan kam ban Henry kumnu pada mentan nitep bakai hakasnong jonga kadan kaknu hak kasnong jong uta kadan kaknu idan kam ya kadata kababian de kami kesni lengba ka ni ka program bak ya ni ka program lawan ra ka sarkar India kalabu kenang ya ni ka program ka sarkar ke India Kelapit tu bagai itu ya kata jingdon kam jon kitata ha ki office lani ha ki jaka sensya di paper kasor dia kalamang ya kani ka project ya kani ka tenat terekam kabak ka national hydrology project kani kan national hydrology project kabala penbi ka water resource department hapo kajal shakti patnamar baka kadai ka state subject kamdai ka central subject batla shania namar kata ya kani ka kam ha ka water resource department bahkan long nodal department man pet ban kami ya kita ta banlum man collect ya information na kisnong iba pair banwa ban ya kata jingdon jong ha kisnong ba pair ha ka district ro away bakumju ha ka meghalaya paro away jintip sepang ko kadai lengba ki station nilabu ki station ki jongi hakikat tu kani teli ki wa mata nilabu haki lai teli ki wa pat kani kra ya ban thau ban wo ya jing don jong ka ha ki catchment lani ki watershed jong kini ki wa bakum ju ru ban tip ya jing tu jong ka idan kam ru ban tip ya jing ha jong slap nama jing tu jong ka kadai lamba kajing hap jong uslam ke lamba kajing hap jong uslam nilayo banbu ya ki water automatic station rainfall automatic station imangilabu haka compound jong ka office ni kanane juru kidan ki office ki playabu yo automatic rainfall station ki office baper idan hapo watershed haka disaster management kumju idan haka soil and water conservation kumju idan haka agriculture kumju telamba ini ki rainfall information system nila banthau ya kajingdong lani kata kajing hapslap panna kata kajing hapslap ade nila pan ko rili ba kajing tu jong ka bangipat karan off kade kumnu bangin kam ya kini kajing lum jengtip ya kini water resource data ya ki hydrological data kumnu bangin kam ya kini data nakamanta kajing mantoy ka jongi habangi syakri bani sensya ya kasnong kathao lani nitrei itikam mahapo ki office kajing kapan kong banlum jengtip kumnu banlum jengtip kalong ka banlum jengtip ya ka kamdai ka kam ko pasok banlum jingtip banbo jingtip ya gidata syapang ko kamdai ka kam ko pasok uway na giliw crowd uway start science ukaliliw wong thau ya kabala banthau bat penlong banthau ya ka ka bomla banthau measure what can be measured and make measurable what cannot be measured kalau mau banthau ya hot da kalida ko ni thau ko kam ba ya ko mandi kedai ka kam basuk banthau hendrei manta banthau ya ko ko badan na wa banthau ya ko ko badan na pung kedai ka kam ka ba kham namar ba kajing duna ka scientific lani ka technology hendrei yo ba ni ke sni ba manta kladang ka advancement ka technology kilami teknologi baper kilami artificial intelligence ni sini yoi balang ba ka chinera jong artificial intelligence nilala dan le mapping nilala ban collect kita data baper ke bangi ni pendekam hakajing dan kam kajangi.
Traffic police of Lomdingri Police Station on the 18th July halted an Alto 800 bearing the registration number ML10C5814, which functions as a taxi boarding passengers from Umsning to Shillong, which had installed black window films, disregarding the fact that it is now against the law for it proves to be unsafe. The traffic police stopped the vehicle halfway to its destination and the vehicle owner is on a case under the Motor Vehicle Act. The owner of the vehicle was ordered to immediately remove the back film from the car windows. Tirat Singh Knockout Football Tournament 2023 organized by the Khasi Students Union Nongklao Circle concluded on the 17th of July with a match between Maulantriang SC and Rangkansai SC at Nongra Ground, Nongklao, East and West Khasi Hills District. Thousands rushed to the tournament to witness the match and support their own favourite teams. The game between the two teams were fair and was played with great sportsmanship, avoiding any unfair means. However, the champion has to be declared depending on the goal scored. In the end, Maulantriang SC defeated Rangkansai SC with 2-0 goals and was eventually declared the champion of the Tirat Singh Knockout Football Tournament 2023. To encourage young women football players under 17 from Sidon Secondary School who will represent Riboy district to the state level Subroto Cup Football Tournament 2023 to be held in Shillong, a veneration program was organized by the district sports officer at Sidon on the 18th of July. The school is competing in the Inter-District Subroto Cup to get the opportunity to represent the state in New Delhi. The school management along with the teachers on the 18th of July organized a special program to encourage the young women football players. Mementos were presented to the players as a mark of good luck. Albino Slamo, a teacher from the school, contributed football boots, whereas the leader of RBYF, Bipul Thank You, contributed track suits for the players. Present in the occasion and encouraging the players includes Rocky Marwen, headman of Umsning Proper B, E.K. Lapang, headman Sidon, J.C. Nongset, headmaster Sidon Secondary School, president and secretary of Seng Samla Sidon, members of RBYF, teachers and students.
Lucy.
Dari coach kami Mas Abang.
Kabarala banyak banong kalado tim kebalado yang district level Subrukto hanya for district itu. Congratulations ke dia. Pila raksasa yang nam kabulong jangka school jangka jelas jangka district itu ni. Har bapit sami nani bapit lagi pun syarikat state level. Panna ayu kajikit bok dan ya pi sama kecil jong ni school bapintan pancreation dan bapintan bantuan ketong kemanfaat banyo banjot saya state level. Kadang yang tim kemokong hari tim parent. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. But if you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. Sama ini, lada tuan ini adu mensin, panang, banyakkan, bukan malah banyak ini. Hari lada adu mensin, nadu mensin katong jompi, karai jompi, balaku mukno, nandia kunmen mensin doyak, bangan poisya katong, nentala bankam. Ya jing terang jumpi ban boy sekalian.
Baik, nama su baru berdoa sebentar di kelas di jogi. Nama bangla mereka pakai nama sedang hanya orang boy ini ada sekali. Pilot syukur kalau berbeda, mau bagaimana? Hanya kita apply, hanya kita punya, hanya kita poin Mirapur, apa yang lain, apa yang lakukan, Mirapur, apa yang lain, apa yang lakukan. Islam tak, bahagia respon yang punya. Kita tapi poin Islam itu, kita begini. Daya pun, ia sebab orang di sini, kalau dia berbahasa, pun sih, betul mengisahkan Tuhan, kita harus bekerja. Bagi itu dia oleh tapi kita jadi kepada sport office dekat berburu seperti yang disimpan dengan bebas. Sebab apa yang dia jadi kami tidak sah ni, namun bebas, bantuan dan kami dan berjalan di dalam. Bantuan jadi kan orang kan ada di dalam standard. Di dalam jadi kan public boy haru ke nasional level. Semua pinjam saja. Dua yang boleh pinjam. But pinjam ke pinjam. Kenam juga sekolah itu sekolah belum mengerti. Pasal ke sekolah ustaz bos sekolah yang ustaz tidak. Ustaz tak dah sebab tidak benar. Panlai komunikasi ini belum bantuan ke sekolah. Misi pula hai dong di balai komunikasi itu suki iyo atau apa batuta dalam hidup dan jadi orang dia ini dari sekolah ini orang bagi jual sekolah ini kerja boleh sekolah bawa lebih
Upper primary university, Pinangdal university ada secondary section. Kalau Pinangdal di higher secondary, Pinangdal kita kelas punya sekman. Ni universiti kita dah kencingnya apa kau kenal mesti ke football company show dan ke panggilan anda dari Allah berarti berkamai. Ni dah ketua pelajar ni kakek klub ni universiti berfikir Kariboy United FC ni lasanya ini klub bagi staff ketua ni bersama dengan Kariboy district hadu mentang itu pelih semua yang girls wing. Hakan yang keluar ke sini nak boleh cuma suatu yang di male speak di Sindra Kenapa ngikwa jika film suara ngikwa bermorak suara nam baru kini tu jika kau ini ngira yo jika pulang baru kini itu jika kini kelop but less spesifik ngentai makro hak beri ikun ngentai iba bertibet yang di hak ngentai kacing siu jungi yo player kam tunai kan nyo hajar kan dibailakan yang kelop jungi dapat tunai yang isi orang jasan spas dibailakan yang kelop jungi dengan kawan sekarang baka saya secondary school itu mi players but minyo yang players bertibet di nala kirtai nala kini jungi Shibun ke expectation desa kita tang kena bakular isar lalu tang bakular ship jur kaput di job final ida rubah awal pun mesti presiden semai jangi nampak lese pulang pekat ke presiden juga pulang ngan pulang loh tang jopo dalam job state level punya stickers Shipper stiker ini saya tuki karbon ini intit bina berat. Shipper stiker naik bakal turun sih. Orang clear. Dan kalian juga kan? Kalau order ya ki tracksuit, ki jong ina kata ki jong hi. Kalau cipta ya kalau memang ini no Friday Sunday, hopefully Friday evening and Saturday morning kan nampak sekarang kan sawan deliver ni jumpa mas nong jumpi. Ya ini langsung. Kalau kita dinai ada financial support jadi anda kena sekai pan hapo ke state level. Ikan scam kan ni jingai jungi kan nomor lain and they feel shipment yang ki stiker no baru tu nasi. Boleh sebut ni kalau ikan scam ni dia ada try nasi berwan kalau ni Felicity yang saya nama lekai no sekarang national level. Hari ni kita boleh berpulang lagi kalau.
So viewers, that is all we have for today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.